We're currently out running errands. We stopped at TJ Maxx because I still need to find some new utensils, kitchen utensils for cooking with. And we ended up leaving with no kitchen utensils, but we left with a Minnie Mouse bubble maker, so that's fun. Right now we're in Shake Shack because Bonnie and Clyde, we're getting a little bit hungry, even though they just had breakfast. So we've got some fries, a grilled cheese. Mom's running on coffee this morning. Bonnie loves the grilled cheese and fries. Clyde is a little bit displeased, I think because we're approaching nap time. Want to try one more? Oh, okay. Also, a little update on the new double stroller. Love it, and it's absolutely worth the hype. It folds up so easy, and it is so lightweight, especially for a double. What I will say about double strollers is 90% of them are extremely heavy, so I like that that one's lightweight. And it's also, a lot of them are more geared towards having a toddler and a newborn. That one is perfect for, well, I guess twins or just two toddlers in general. Not that I have twins, but I have two toddlers. You know what I meant. This is one of my favorite shopping plazas, but I actually think that we are going to head out. Now that they've both had lunch, I think that we are going to go for a little ride and head to a TJ Maxx that is a little bit of a ways away from us. Hoping that they have some kitchen utensils, and hopefully we don't leave there with another Mickey and Minnie bubble maker. Where we're going is about 30 to 40 minutes away, so I think that might be the perfect opportunity. It's 45-minute nap, and I had some lunch. Kennedy had another snack, and now everyone's awake, and everyone's ready to do some more shopping. Maybe we will find some kitchen utensils. We are at a new TJ... Actually, no, it's not a TJ Maxx. This one's... Yes, shopping! This one's actually just a Home Goods, and then there's a Marshall's next door, too. So... we're gonna hit a Montana, best of both worlds, because I feel like when they're separated, the Home Goods just has more to offer. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's go shopping. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for helping me again. All right, here we go. Oh, that's cute. Like if you were having friends over. What's that like? I don't have any. Please hold. What? That pan was full price. We're gonna pass. Okay. Wait, these are like the same few sets that all the TJ Maxxes have had this week. So maybe that's all they have. All right. Okay, not really what we were looking for. But that's okay. We'll just keep looking, you know. Keep checking out all the TJ Maxxes and Home Goods. Okay, but while we're here, there are these cookies that they only sell here. And my sister, she's had a baby, and she loves them, so we gotta find them. Yeah, we gotta get these for Chrissy. I see another bag in there. I see another bag back there. Oh, there's more right here. I mean, another unsuccessful day of getting kitchen utensils. I think I'm giving up with TJ Maxx, and maybe we'll venture off to Walmart tomorrow and look there, because there's one Walmart in my area that's like really, really big. And now that I think about it, they usually do have a couple of aisles. So maybe we'll go to Walmart tomorrow. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Wednesday. Bye.